So, gender of nouns. They have created some patterns. For example, the nouns which end in aj, o, or mo tend to be masculine. There will be exceptions every now and then. That's why they are saying tend to be masculine. Okay, but it takes care of 90% of cases, or even more than 90%. So it's a good thing to know. Anything that ends with mo is masculine. For example, le sentiment, le monument, le compliment, or anything that ends with aj is also masculine. Le fromage, le bahaj, le kuhaj, le voyage, right? So nice. They have classified these things based on the endings of the word or endings of the nouns. That helps you remember the gender. Similarly, nouns ending with al, isme tend to be masculine. Le chocolat, le contrat, le résultat, which is result, le journal, which is newspaper. Again, I don't want to go through all of them. You will go through them. I'll share the book. I want you to write this down, these patterns. So few obvious ones are this Sion. Okay, we learned yesterday. Tion is Sion. All of them will be mostly feminine. For example, la dimension, la profession, la tension, okay, la télévision, la solution. So these are mostly feminine. Now see, sometimes if you see a word like this, so the problem is we know if it's le, then it's a masculine. Okay, if it's la, it's femina. But when it's apostrophe, we don't know either this is masculine word or feminine word. So then this pattern helps. Oh, this is Sion, so this must be
feminine.
Yes. So in case you have to use the indefinite article, you will write une invention. So that's why these patterns are useful, and I would highly advise you to write them down. Ite is also feminine. Ite is a pattern that we saw, right? Whatever in English is iti becomes ite, right? For example, quality becomes kalite, quantity becomes kantite. So those also are feminine generally. Again, because it's a language, so there will be exceptions. For example, the words which end with aj are masculine, right? Right. But again, there will be exceptions. For example, la page, which is the page, a page, or la plage, which is the beach. So although there are patterns, there will be exceptions. Every noun will have two versions, right? Most of the times. Some of the nouns have only one version, like we saw with artiste, both for masculine and feminine, right? Most of the nouns, there will be two versions. For example, ami is a friend. This is a masculine version. The feminine version is ami. Same sound, but we have added an at the end to make it a feminine. So this is feminine, this is masculine. So how do you convert, right? First rule is just add o at the end. Étudiant, étudiante. Now see that we have learned this already. Here we skipped the T. But when we added a to make it feminine, we had to pronounce the T. Right? We saw that when we were learning the pronunciation patterns. Same goes here. L'avocat, I'm skipping the T in the masculine version. L'avocat, l'avocat. Now I have to pronounce the T in the feminine version because there's a O at the end after the consonant. So that's the first rule. You can add O to make most of the nouns from masculine to feminine. Some other rules: if the words in masculine form are ending with eur, then to make them into feminine form, you have to make it us. Okay. For example, le danseur, la danseuse, le coiffeur, la coiffeuse, le monteur, la monteuse, le vendeur, la vendeuse. Boulanger is the baker. Le boulanger is a masculine form. Because it ends with er, right, in English, we make it this in feminine. So it becomes la boulangère. L'infirmière, l'infirmière. Okay, so air, like er, you change it to accent grave er to make it feminine. Something which ends with the, you make it thris. Le directeur, la directrice. The become thris. Okay. Ia becomes ien. Okay. The pharmacia becomes la pharmacienne.
Dire, la des.
Correct. EU is a. Le dire, la des. Okay. Now, most of the nouns will be covered in these patterns. For example, become us, air become air, the become thris, and you will just most of them which end with consonant. You can just add e and you will change from masculine to feminine. But some of them have completely different words for masculine and feminine. So you will have to just remember. For example, le roi is king, la reine. Le garçon, la fille, l'homme, la femme. Some words exist in both forms. For example, livre. Livre is masculine is book and feminine is it's currency, pound basically. La livre, la livre. Le tour is a trip like our English tour, and la tour Eiffel is the tower. So the same word exists in both genders, but the meaning changes. That's why I love this book. That's why I think this is the single best book that you can find, for your grammar and words. And that's the reason you are going to be using this book as one of your main books. It takes care of all the combinations and all the exceptions actually. So today's last topic we have is how to transform the words or the nouns from singular to plural. So most of the time, when the words are ending in consonant, you just add s. Okay. For example, une maison, des maisons. You just added a s, which is also something that we do in English. Okay. A livre, des livres. Okay. As I said, if the word begins with a vowel or h, mute h, you have to pronounce the s of the they, which is the plural form of indefinite article. Okay. Now we saw first rule of making plural. You just add the s. Okay. Second rule is if the words are ending in s, x, or z, you don't change anything to make them plural. Voix, voix. A voice, some voices. It's the same thing. Or a nez and des nez. A nez, des nez is the same, noses. So x, s, and z, you don't change anything to make them plural. For the words which are ending in a or o, you add an x. For example, chateau or chateau, des chateaux. So this was EAU, right? So you added a X to make it plural. We will ignore the X. So it remains the same. A chateau, des chateaux. Same. A gâteau, des gâteaux. Again, these patterns, the best way to remember them, as I'm saying, write them down in a notebook, write them down. Maybe write them down once and then after a few days, again revisit, write them down. Writing is the best form of remembering when it comes to the language. Okay. So please don't rely on PDF, although I'm going to share the PDF with you. The words which are ending in al, they becomes o, aux. Okay, where we don't pronounce the x. For example, animal is one animal and plural is animo, aux. So al becomes aux. A journal is newspaper. They, journaux. There are some exceptions. For example, a bal, which is a ball, dance, de bal. And the literal ball, like the cricket ka ball, is une balle. For example, a festival becomes, just add s. You don't make it aux.